So I'm fixing to clean up this area here. I guess with Irma, a bunch of the trees fell down and had to get cut up, and they just got left here. So that's been 3 years now, and I really want to start putting some nice pretty plants here and beautify this area. So here is one of the logs. I'm just going to roll it, and I'm just going to move the pile down to that area there. But this area I really want to clean up. I hope I don't find any baby rabbits or snakes or whatever, but we'll see. Stay tuned for progress. So the bark is just peeling right off of this, and I've been putting it over as mulch, and it's going to make actually pretty good mulch here. A couple slugs, lots of baby insects or nymph stages, but it's all good, right? This is one of the trees that the electric company cut down because it was because the tree probably fell on the power lines here. So I just want to show you how easy it is to. I just peel off the pine bark, and then I'm tossing it over there where I pay for pine bark. Oops. So it's just really easy to come off here. It just comes off in sheets. And then I'll just put it here where I still have landscape fabric showing through. And yeah, this is going a lot easier than I thought because it's pretty much all decayed. And look at all the mulch here, ready-made mulch. And there's a really good mycelium. If I got that wrong, I'll fix it on the screen. But mycelium running through, and it's really good nutrients for the soil. Check this out, another stump from a felled pine tree. And look at all this. I just took a whole bunch of this off in sheets. Look at that, a big sheet like this, and carry it over here before it falls down. It's getting ready to break off, and then just throw it on top of the pine bark area. Look at this, kind of looks neat. As you would expect, the logs that didn't touch the ground are much more intact. So this one didn't fall apart and is heavier than, say, that one, which is in direct contact with the ground, which I'm sure that one's going to be much lighter and fall apart a lot easier. This part's a little squirrelier. This part is a little squirrelier. This branch right here is attached to this log, so I had to break out the heavy artillery, and I'm gonna have to chop these up because they didn't cut them in small pieces. They're in pretty big pieces and not as rotted as I can handle. So some of these larger pieces I have to chainsaw out, and I just did that one, and ooh, does it smell good. It smells really good. Making some progress with the sun starting to come over, so I don't know how much longer I can do this. I would really like to clear up this mess right here and this in the middle here, so that this could be a nice little alcove. But we'll see how much I can get done. It's going to be 95 today.